Lockheed Martin announced that it delivered a small directed energy weapon to the U.S. Air Force Research Lab in February, a critical milestone in the service's ambition to equip a tactical fighter jet with a laser capable of taking down anti-aircraft missiles. It is the smallest, lightest, high-energy laser of its power class that Lockheed Martin has created to date. It is a vital benchmark in creating an operable laser weapon system in the aerial environment. The Defense Post said that the Pentagon has pushed forward a variety of alternative directed energy weapons in recent years. The benefit of this one, codenamed LANC, is its reduced area, weight, and power needs. It's 1/6 the magnitude of what we generated for the Army dating back to just 2017. The U.S. Air Force Research Lab, AFRL, awarded Lockheed Martin $26.3 million for the design, development, and construction of a high-power fiber laser. The LANC abbreviation stands for Laser Advancements for Next-Generation Compact Environments. Lockheed obtained the initial contract to design, develop, and construct LANC in November 2017 as part of the Air Force's Self-Protect High-Energy Laser Demonstrator (SHIELD) program. That project includes 3 components. In addition to LANC, there is a beam control system, created by Northrop Grumman, which directs the laser on its target, as well as a pod that is attached on the aircraft. Boeing is responsible for the pod component, which the Air Force stated it received in February 2021. The subsystems produced under a SHIELD constitute the most compact and capable laser weapon technology developed to date. Mission utility analysis and wargaming studies are continuing and will assist establish how these subsystems in SLASH, or an integrated laser weapon system, may possibly be deployed. Specific goals for future testing and demonstrations will be established by the outcomes of these investigations as well. With the laser delivered to the Air Force, Griffin said the next stage would be to start combining the weapon itself with the thermal system that handles LANC's heating and cooling. The service has not made any final choices for follow-on activity. A variety of potential applications and platforms are being considered for potential demonstrations and tests in partnership with warfighter stakeholders.